hate eating spaghetti on camera, but I'm gonna do my best. I need to do it again. I'm choking. Hi, I'm Aurelia St Clair, a writer, comedian, podcaster, model, and today a chef for Massel, Australia's premium stock makers. Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite spaghetti bolognese recipe. I kind of combined a few different recipes from a few different cookbooks to come up with my own version. Let's get into it. If there's any secret to this recipe, it's using sausages rather than mince. You'll want to start by removing the casing and putting it aside in a bowl. I like using a beef and pork sausage, but you can use any you like. We'll grab 1 onion, 1 carrot, and 2 celery stalks for this. Check out my amazing knife skills. Next, we'll want to crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And now we're ready to cook the vegetables. For this, you want the heat to be on medium-high. You'll want to add enough olive oil to coat the base of your pot, and then we can get started by adding the onion first. Cook the onion for 2 to 3 minutes or until translucent. It's time to add the rest of our vegetables to the pot. Next up, we have the mince we set aside at the start. Add it to your pot and break it up as you go. This is starting to smell really good. Once your sausages are brown, you're ready to add the tomato, whole peeled tomatoes all the way. The next secret to this recipe is stock cubes. I always have Massel chicken style stock cubes in my pantry. I really love using them because they add so much flavor. Next, you'll want to add 2 cups of water. It's looking really good. So next, I'll just go ahead and add some of my favorite spices. I like using chili and paprika. You can use the paprika quite liberally because it isn't that spicy. And then for the chili, just a sprinkle will do. You can let this simmer for up to an hour, but 40 minutes will do. Once your sauce is almost ready, and this looks really amazing, you want to cook your pasta according to package instructions, and you're ready to serve it all up. And there we have it, my very special spaghetti bolognese recipe. It's time for the taste test. Let's see. This is very good. Super tasty, hearty, full of flavor.